In this video, I'm going to share with you how to hook up a transfer switch, 6-circuit transfer switch into your main line. I'm also going to show you how to start a generator, how to connect the generator into the outlet. The outlet is connected to the transfer switch. And I will explain why the usage of transfer switch is the safe way to go. I have a lot of information to share with you. I hope you enjoy it. Watch the video to the end, and I'm sure you'll find it beneficial.
There's not too many videos out there to talk about transfer switch and how to do it. So I figure why not make a video explaining how I did the installation of the transfer switch in this particular project. It would have made much sense if the wiring were done as I'm talking right now. But I really do not want to undo the stuff I've done in the other video. The target of this video walk you through the wiring of the actual transfer switch. And you see this black wire. This black wire circuit is actually not connected to the generator transfer switch circuit. This is if the utility power goes off, that circuit, which is probably a light in the hallway, is not going to get powered because I don't have that circuit connected to the generator. However, the red ones that you see connecting to the circuit breakers are different. See, this is another circuit breaker right here. It's probably powering outside. I don't have it hooked to the generator. But the red ones came from the generator. These are the ones that's going to get powered when the generator comes on and the utility power is lost. So I wanted to give you a quick look. You see those yellow wire nuts? Those wire nuts are actually used to be the wires connected to the circuit breaker over here, the circuit breaker panel, and the red wires did not exist before the transfer switch. So I pulled them out of the circuit breaker and I connected with the wire nut to the black wire that's coming in from the transfer switch into the main circuit panel. So when I did that for the same circuit, I replaced the red where the black used to be with the red. So basically, every black wire from the transfer switch has every red wire to swap out. Basically, I swapped out. So I have 3 circuits here and then 1 over there. So 3 circuits on the left and 3 circuits on the right. There it will be powered by the generator. It's simple to describe it. And trust me, if you read the instruction, it's very simple to do. Only thing you need to worry about is the power, all right? Before all of that, please do make sure the power is off. This way you could do the job safely. You don't make any mistake. How do you connect the generator to the house? Well, you buy this jumper cable with 4 prongs, connects to this transfer switch to your house, or you could just use the outlets. With an outlet like that, you hook up that generator there, or you could just turn the generator on and you connect directly to these outlets. Normal outlets is GFI outlets. What they recommend is you do the top 2 first, then you do the bottoms. What we're going to do is we're going to hook up this line. This is 240 volts going into the house. So what we have to do is go like this and turn. It's connected. So we got this wire connected to the house. And now we're just going to go ahead and start the generator. So to start, we check the oil as before. We check this. Then make sure the choke is on start, or you're going to have a hard time starting. Then make sure the fuel valve is in the on position. Right, we could either start with the coil, or in this case, we're going to use this automatic one. It's choking because just choke. So this is the transfer switch. It can easily be switched over to generator once you are ready to go and the generator is on. What the transfer switch allows is you could just switch over to generator and you don't have to worry about shutting the main off, because this is the whole purpose of the transfer switch. The power is transferred safely to the house. All right. So basically, when you install this transfer switch, you designated the circuit breakers you wanted to control should in case you lose power during the power outage. So the generator is going to supply the power to the circuit breakers that you designated.
The transfer switches are limited. Each transfer switch have different amount of circuit breakers. This particular one has only 6 circuit breakers. So only generator will be controlling 6 circuit breakers. And we're going to turn the circuit breakers on one by one to run it on generator power. So you have 2 sets of breakers here. The main ones, once you switch over from line to gen, then you have the circuit breakers for each circuit individually. So right now we have the 6 circuits are running on generator power. You don't have to worry about any back feeding to the utility. That was the whole purpose of installing the transfer switch. So now if the power comes on and you have the generator on, that's fine. The power will only go to the other circuits of the house. You have the generator supplying power to the 6 circuits that you have on this transfer switch. So that's why it's safe. You lose power, no problem. You turn the generator on and you switch these circuit breakers on to the generating power. Before you shut the generator off, when the power returns, you go to the transfer switch. Then you come and take the generator off. If you like, you could also disconnect the connector and be ready for the next storm. Like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.